This question bothers us a lot when we need to end conversations politely. So I have been asked this question several times that, ma'am, how to end conversations politely when we are in the middle of a conversation and then other person is on and on rattling about something, and how to get out of that situation without being rude. Okay, so here are the 6 steps which you follow according to your situation. So you can follow these 6 steps, and then you can get out of any conversation you want to come out of clean. Okay, so first thing is, say thank you and goodbye. So thank you for meeting me. So and say goodbye, and there are four phrases you can use. Let's stay connected on social media. Let's catch up on coffee sometimes. See you later. Catch you later. Let's stay connected. It's been great talking with you. Thank you for sharing that experience. Enjoy the rest of the evening. So you will come out clean. So when you would say that, it's a great share. Thank you for sharing that. So enjoy your rest of the evening. All right. So you can come out of any situation just in a matter of minute. Okay. So these are the phrases you can use while you're just coming out of that situation clean. And then another situation where you are quite stuck and you don't know that what to do, you can excuse yourself to home call that I need to check upon my kids. So please excuse me, I have to check on the kids before they go to bed when you are very, very late. Or if you don't have kids, you can say that, please excuse me, I have to check on my wife before she goes to bed. And then you take out your phone and actually try to make a call so that you are excusing yourself from that conversation. Then third thing is, ask if you meet another person in future event. So you can simply ask the other person that if we can meet in the future event, then you can continue with your conversation. Okay, so you can say, I have really enjoyed talking with you. Will you be at the next meeting or next function? Maybe we can continue our conversation at that point of time. Okay, so you can ask the other person that we will continue this conversation. I'm pretty enjoying it, but let's meet sometimes in the future. Okay, so that's also another way. And the fourth way is, plan a get together. That if you don't have time, but you actually like that person and you want to make that conversation, or you just want that commitment, or you just want to meet that person on a cup of coffee, if you think that you will have the future association with that person, so plan a get together. Let's catch up on coffee sometime. Okay, let's meet at dinner, let's meet at lunch. So we will plan, and then we can just grab a coffee or tea something sometimes. All right, so you can plan a get together. Then give your card. That's also a hint that you want to go. Okay, so let me give you my card, please get in touch if I can help you in any way. So these are the situations where you can come out clean easily. And the last is, ask to connect on social media. Let's stay connected on social media. Okay, so when you know that distance is so much bigger that you actually cannot meet that person, you can say, let's stay connected on social media. And that's how you can end conversations politely without being rude and come out of any situation clean. Sometimes, when we say that, hey, I got stuck, and that person was going on and was not stopping the conversation, these are the steps, 6 steps, or any one step you choose as per your convenience, and you can get out of that situation without being rude. Okay, so for more tips, follow my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. I will be happy to serve you.